Hello. So today we will check about Gemini CLI, which is really a very fantastic product. We will see how it will going to helpful in our software development. The installation is quite easy, and this is the link where you should come. You can search Google CLI GitHub. So we'll end up in this link, and once you in this link you just need to install this command, or you can install this npm install, and by just using this Gemini you can access this interface anywhere throughout your system. You have to log in using your credential, which is just a normal your Gmail credential, and we do not need to log in through Gemini API. That is more than enough. Let's see how it is helpful. And if I'm going to take an example here, so here is my few one of my project, and I'm just right clicking, and if I'm going to this explorer, you see I am here in this explorer, and I'm just going to here, I'm going to call the command prompt, and in this command prompt, to open the Google CLI, I just need to write Gemini. Okay, now it is available, and you can see it's pointing to my directory, and I need to ask the question here, and here you can see 100% context token left, and so help me to understand mine, and it's okay. Let's see. So it started reading all the files. Okay. How beautifully it's able to understand the files, you can see. Of course, I will help you based on the file listening, requirement text, environment, templates. It's looking for these files requirements. No problem. I will try another approach. I will examine the round.py file and dot environment files also. It has gone through. It has gone through once again. And this is the summary, I believe. Yeah. Your project is a Flash web application. Flash is popular Python framework that provides a foundation of the handling the application logic. The core application against is the calculator app, fantastic. The key is application factory, create an app, and your project, the application factory pattern, the create app functionality and responsible for the configurations. This is one of the very good point. Blueprints modular application. Your application is divided into several similar applications. Each blueprint, it's contained like this, and authentication, user authentication, login, logout, home. Wow, it is it is so clearly defined the entire project, which would have taken many days or many months some beginner level or mid-level developer, if someone wanted to understand, but it just did it in few seconds only. So this is really a very beautiful product, Gemini, which is helping us. But let's see, we'll ask something to modify, but before that we'll see how this project, then we'll just ask Gemini to enhance. So to run this, I need to go to okay, so here is the application which is running. Let me restart once again. So You can see the application has loaded. This is the URL which I need to use. Let's go, and I just need to refresh once again to show you how it is working. Now I need to log in also, so I'll show you once again whether it is. Oh, it's not asking me login because the session is still alive, so I need to change the browser. So here I will ask to login. Yeah, it is asking me the login, right? Now we'll ask Google Gemini to add. Just a minute. Okay, so we shall ask to Gemini CLI to include Facebook as a new login mechanism to this application, so that the user can have another options to log in by using the Facebook. So let's see how it is working. This is just a trial. Then we will keep improving our ask to CLI. So let's see if I am just going to ask it. You can see everything is working, and it's asking for the mic, okay, but camera access, for that I have to do something else, but anyway, it looks like allow while doing it, but good. Okay, so I'm going to log out from here, and we'll ask to include a Facebook button here. Okay, so let's see. So my ask is, in my application, user has the ability to log in using Google. Now I want to enhance this feature by including Facebook as an option. User can click to log in to my application. Okay, now I'm hitting enter. Let's see what it's doing. It probably going to ask the permissions to modify the files. So it's explaining. First, I will examine your existing Google authentication setup, understanding how it is integrated. Next, I will add necessary configurations of the Facebook config file. Then I will create new route to your authentication blueprint to handle the Facebook. Finally, I will add login with Facebook button to your login template. Oh, great. So I'll start by searching the template, found one match. I will read it. Okay, I will start by modifying the config file. It's asking the configurations which I'm going to allow. Yes, allow always. I believe you. It started modifying. Great work. Now then I have updated. Now I have updated the configurations. I will modify the init file. Okay, it has added a method here, or it's you can see it's completed out that method. Authentication BP route. This piece of code has been added, which shows in green, right? This piece has been added here. These methods. I have added the Facebook ID column, user model. Now I will need to apply these changes to your database. Okay, since you are using Flash Migrator, you can run the following command in your terminal to create a new migration and apply it. After running these commands, your database will be updated. Okay, let's see. So now let's run the application. So it's asking me to do, uh, to download a Facebook logo.png in this particular folder, and it's need to ask this. I haven't done that yet. I will do it once I will see some error. And this is what I have downloaded already. Let me show you. Here in the static, here is the logo where I have added it. Now if I'm going to run the application, and here it's already logged in, but let me refresh it. Once I refresh, you can see this Facebook logo has been added. There is no Facebook picture logo, but the link is here. If I click it, it's redirecting to the Facebook page. But this is not properly appearing the Facebook icon. Let the CLI fix it. And before it's going to fix that, let me show you what are all those changes it's done. These are all the changes, right? You can see it's automatically appeared and come and modify these online authentications. This is the Google code. This is the Facebook code which is introduced. Now what exactly this file is modified? It's added a Facebook client ID and Facebook client secret also we need to provide actually. In the model, it is introduced a DB column, okay, that is yet to complete. Okay, it looks like Google CLI understand it and done a good job. Let me let me ask it to fix the logo issue. It's trying to execute this command. So initially I asked him to run the command. So it's trying to set the environment, and it seems there was some issue, different syntax between. Then it's come back with some different approach. Then I am going to allow once. Okay. So it's a troubleshooting. Using its full path currently. It's using the full path to run the command. Okay, great. It's analyzing. Now what it is doing, I have new plan that should work around this. I will run the migrator command from within the virtual environment. Okay. Okay, fine, let's see. Okay. Okay. So let's allow it do it. I don't think it can be do it due to some little challenges in my specific environment. Otherwise, those steps what it's trying to follow, it looks very promising. Uh, I will try again, but this time I will use single quote for the migration message. This should prevent the cell from misinterpreting the message. Okay, you can see now it's using the complete path and flash and trying to run and edit. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's see. So finally, it's starting the migration directory successfully created. Now it's want to migrate the environment to initiate it in this particular location. Let's see. I'm just clicking go ahead, start modification. Oh, still it's apologizing. Anyway, I don't need. I can change this database credential. Mm, No issue. It has successfully migrated and generated, and now it's applying the generation changes into the database. Excellent. The database has been successfully updated with the Facebook column. It's really amazing. I wanted to see myself. Let me go to the database. Okay, this is my user. If I'm going to click the user, you can see username, email, Google ID, and Facebook ID. It's really amazing. I'm really happy that it's struggled a lot, but finally it's completed its job. You can see how many times it's tried with multiple things. The challenge he accept those challenges and trying to overcome those different possible options. Great work, really great. This is one of the best code edition and modification tool till now. Let me rerun it. Let's see if I'm going to rerun this one. Oh, still we won't be able to see this icon here. Let me ask to CLI to fix this also. So here I have asked the question. Everything looks good, but the Facebook logo, which has suggested to be placed in its location, the logo is in place, but it's not rendering correctly. So can you fix it? This is the problem which I wanted to fix. So I'm going to hit enter, and 98% of the tokens yet we have used. Okay, what it's saying? Of course, I will help you. First, I will re-examine the login HTML template to verify the image path surrounding with the HTML structure. Then it's read the file. I have reviewed the login HTML template. Great. And the URL, this login image expression should correctly. Okay. The issue looks like it's fixed. Then to fix, I will modify that. Okay. You can see it's modified this with static, with adding 2 dots here. Wow. Great, amazing. Let me go and rerun it. Okay, click run. Okay, it's run. Now I'm going to refresh the screen. Oh, it's broken. The Facebook logo has appeared. but everything else is broken. It happens sometimes. Yeah, no problem. We will ask to undo the changes and fix it. So this is my ask. I have checked and found the Facebook logo appear, but it completely disarranges the other login HTML page. Can you undo the changes? Only work to fix the Facebook logo. Nothing else need to be modified. This is the problem here. If I wanted to correct my spelling, then click delete. Yeah, nothing else need to be fixed. Else need to be modified. Okay, let me start it. It's analyzing and reviewing the error. And addressing the starting page. Let's see, just a minute. It's still working. And if I'll show you and found this is the ask, then it's you can see it's modified the changes, it's undo the changes, then it's trying to fix it. No change detected. Okay. Now we'll go and we'll rerun it once again. Let's see.